Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something pretty exciting to talk about. If you're looking to drive massive amounts of targeted traffic to your online offers without spending a dime on ads or wasting months creating content, then stick around, because I'm about to dive into a platform that might just change the way you do business online. I'm talking about FluenceGrid. Now, we all know that getting traffic is the lifeblood of any online business, right? Without traffic, you've got no sales, and without sales, there's no business. It's as simple as that. But here's the kicker. The traditional ways of driving traffic are either too expensive or way too slow. Whether you're paying for ads or trying to rank on search engines, the whole process can be really frustrating. You could burn through hundreds of dollars on Facebook ads and still make nothing. Or you could spend months creating content that, at the end of the day, doesn't really bring in the kind of audience you want. But what if there was a better way? What if you could bypass all of that and get in front of people who are already interested in what you have to offer? That's exactly what FluenceGrid promises to do. Here's how it works. The platform helps you tap into the power of influencer marketing. Now, we've all seen how celebrities and influencers can move products, right? When Kylie Jenner posts about a new cosmetic, it sells out in hours because her followers trust her. They take her word for it and rush to buy whatever she recommends. So why can't you do the same for your offers? Well, now you can, thanks to FluenceGrid. The beauty of FluenceGrid is that it connects you with influencers who have massive social media followings in your niche. Whether you're in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or even digital products, FluenceGrid makes it super easy to find influencers who can help get your offer in front of thousands of highly targeted buyers. And here's the crazy part. 90% of these influencers don't even know how to monetize their followers. This is where you come in. You can offer them a small fee or even just a product sample, and they'll be more than happy to promote your offer to their audience. We're talking about potentially reaching thousands of people for as little as $20 to $50. No complicated ads, no waiting around, and definitely no guesswork. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true, right? But the truth is, this isn't just some theory. FluenceGrid is already working for real users across a variety of niches. In fact, one user drove over 318 sales to an ebook in under 72 hours using just one influencer deal. Others have generated over $2,000 in a single day or gotten more than 1,200 clicks to their affiliate offers for less than $50. This is happening right now, and it's not some futuristic fantasy. If you're tired of wasting time on methods that don't work or are too expensive to scale, this is something you really need to pay attention to. What's even better is that FluenceGrid automates the entire process for you. The platform finds top influencers in your niche, contacts them on your behalf, negotiates traffic deals, and even follows up with them to ensure you get the best possible results. Everything is handled through a simple dashboard, so you can set it up and forget about it. It's that easy. And because FluenceGrid tracks and optimizes your traffic, you're always getting the best bang for your buck. But here's the catch. FluenceGrid is offering lifetime access for a limited time. After this launch period, the platform will switch to a monthly subscription model, so now is the perfect time to grab it if you're interested. And the best part? You've got a completely risk-free investment with their money-back guarantee. The only risk here is doing nothing and missing out on one of the easiest ways to drive targeted traffic to your offers. Let's be real. There's no need to chase after traffic anymore. You don't have to fight with expensive ads or waste time trying to figure out SEO. With FluenceGrid, you can be driving traffic today, not next month, not next week, right now. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, this tool is an absolute game changer. So if you're serious about making money online, if you want to skip the months of waiting and the hours of content creation, then I highly recommend you check out FluenceGrid. It's a super simple, fast, and affordable way to get your offer in front of a massive audience. The proof is in the results. This platform is already working for people, and it can work for you too. All right, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you think about FluenceGrid. Have you ever used influencer marketing before, or are you thinking of trying it out now? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.